Bawat kongresista ay tumatanggap ng 7 million para sa AIX, AKAP, MAIP at TUPAD po.
Hindi lang pala 7-7, meron pang 30-30-30.
Ano yung 30-30-30 Mayor?
Yung 30-30 naman, kung ikaw ang host ng sortie, you get 30-30 million. 90 million lahat yun. 30 million AIX or AKAP, 30 million na MAIP, and 30 million na can you just imagine? Ganun kalaki. 90 million. Kaya pala, no wonder, ang daming nagbo-volunteer to sponsor yung host yung sortie. May mga entitled na mga congressmen na congresswomen na halos unlimited yung kanilang AKAP funds. Nakakalungkot. Ganon din yung kanilang mga MAIP at yung mga TUPAD funds, unlimited. So in short, yung mga ninakaw nila sa porsyento nila at yung mga nakuha pa nila sa profit dahil sila na yung contractor at sila pa yung supplier, hindi pa pala nila na ilalabas. Intact pa yun. Dahil ang ipinapamigay na lang nila muna, itong mga ayuda.
NTV?
Sorry po, pinapatanong lang po ng office, mag-other topics lang po ako. Since bahagi din naman po kayo ng House leadership, I guess aware po kayo sa allegations po ni Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong. Doon po sa sinasabi niya po na nakakatanggap po yung mga congressmen ng mga bawat kongresista ay tumatanggap ng 7 million para sa AIX, AKAP, MAIP at TUPAD po pag sumasama sa sortie ni Speaker. May we get your statements on this po? And ang sabi niya rin po, yun daw pong General Appropriations Act 2025 ay election fund. Both of you po, Kongs.
Sa experience ko po ay wala akong ganyan na nakikita at wala po akong ganyan na na-experience. Yung sinasabing 2025 na yung GAA ay election funds, lahat ng disbursements hindi po nakikialam ang mga politiko sa mga distribution ng social services. Bawal po ang mga politiko magpunta roon. Yun po ay strictly na ini-implement po ngayon. Ang ating pondo ay para sa pag-ayos ng ating bansa. At ang nakikita ko po dito ay gawin lang natin ang ating mga tungkulin. Kung may reklamo man, kung may nakikita, nandyan naman ang ating mga husgado at pwede naman magpunta sa house to clarify sa mga charges na binabato.
I'm not sure if I'm in a position to answer po. No, I'm not part of the leadership. I'm a regular member of this house, but just to answer anecdotally, I don't think I've had the experience that would answer that question, the affirmative. I am of the belief and of the opinion that the budget mentioned, sorry, can we repeat po yung programs that were mentioned? You have AKAP,
TUPAD, MAIP.
AKAP, TUPAD, MAIP. These are
AIX.
all national budget of the national agencies. So I think respectfully, they belong to the DSWD, the DOH, and the DOLE. So I'm not sure where it would come from po na it is allocated po. So in our experience, what the congressman would do is that they would try to serve as a bridge between their constituents and the national government. They would assist them in procuring them, but it would not be allocated in such a manner. And to the second question naman po, I think there are proper safeguards, supposedly, as some of those were mentioned by Congressman Libanan, in which those who are vying for office would be prohibited to participate in such payouts, as they would be colloquially called. But in addition to that, there are also COMELEC resolutions that would prohibit, even beyond just the payouts, the other funding of the government project, precisely to prevent its use in partisan politics. So I think that would be my answer to that question po.
In addition to that, I am the leader of the minority, and I have not received any report of the minority, any member of the minority telling me na mayroong ganong mga 7 AIC, 7 AKAP. Wala po akong narinig na ganyan.
Ay, pahabol ko na lang din po, ang sinabi rin po ni Mayor Magalong, nakakatanggap daw po siya ng death threats simula nung ihayag niya daw po, o yung simula nung sabihin niya yung mga allegations ng corruptions against the congressman.
Alam niyo po, pag government official ka, kasama na po yan eh. Hindi po ordinary maging public servant. Pero ewan ko kung mayroong ganyan, pwede niya i-report yan sa DICT. Madaling matuntun yan kung sinong nag-threat na yan.